Hi kids! Welcome to Joyful Face Kids. Are you ready for a fun and exciting learning journey? Here, we'll explore the ABCs, numbers, animals, and so much more. Whether it's learning the names of animals, discovering shapes, or colors, every moment is filled with joy and discovery. So, put on your smiles, tune in, and turn learning into an unforgettable adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any amazing moments. Let's start this magical journey right now.
M. Magpie. M. Magpie. N. Nightingale. N. Nightingale. O. Owl. O. Owl. P. Parrot. P. Parrot. Q. Quail. Q. Quail. R. Robin. R. Robin. S. Sparrow. S. Sparrow. T. Toucan. T. Toucan. U. Umbrella bird. U. Umbrella bird. V. Vulture. V. Vulture. W. Woodpecker. W. Woodpecker. X. Xenos. X. Xenos. Y. Yellowhammer. Y. Yellowhammer. Z. Zebra Finch. Z. Zebra Finch.
Thanks for watching Joyful Face Kids. We hope you had so much fun learning and exploring with us today. Remember, every day is a chance to discover something new and exciting. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun-filled videos. Share the joy with your friends and family, and let's keep learning together. See you next time for more songs, stories, and adventures. Bye for now, and see you soon.